loading. Yeah, no. Hey guys, sorry I didn't contact guys. My tablet was charging and I had my phone. My map is still broken. I have not fixed it yet with other maps and item frames. So yeah, my eye hurts. Sorry. Was it a full moon last night? I don't know. But I'm going to check on my clocks. It's the baby sheep. My baby sheep. Figured something out here. Whoa. I thought you were a person, baby chef. Don't you ever do that to me again. Right here. Okay. Gardening can get you a lot of seeds. And when I say a lot, I mean a lot. And a lot of wheat. The sugar cane, I can do this and replant. I don't know how much sugar cane I actually need for 4 maps, so I'm just replanting and replanting and replanting like there's no tomorrow. Until I find out. And when will that be, Caitlin? I mean, said my name. Although I know both of you know it already. When will that be? Fuck FM. When I go searching on the internet here in however many minutes it takes me to finish my chores around here. Chicken. Sorry. Okay. I was thinking of getting some cows and, well, I actually need chicken and sheep and shit. Hey, I have enough pieces to make some bread. Just some bread. Yeah. I'm gonna make 1 piece of bread. Oh, what are these doing in there? That's not cooking our food. That's, oh wait, no, I put that chest as gardening and food and stuff. So, well, I guess this is gardening. Let's go find some seeds so we can lure some chickens. But wait, I need wood to make fences. And I've got wood. I'll use this wood. Oops, I didn't want to do that. Okay, I need to make fences, so I need sticks. Do I have any sticks? I have 3. That means I can only make 1 stick. Or 1 fence. Well, no, I make 3. Okay. I got something in it. Okay, so I'm gonna Okay, that's a 3 by 15. That'll be good. Now, I need this. I need another stick. There. Now, to make the gate. Okay. I've got the gate. That's still a wondrous glitch that I have to fix. Let's see here. Where should I make this pin? Should I make it over here? Or there's my mine. Perfect. Oh. Got another mine. I got a lot of mines down here. Holy crap. Yeah, I do. So, yeah, perfect. Something overlooking the water. There's a horse. I see. Please. Guys, I got my very own horse. Yeah. Now, if only I had a lead, I should not have done that. Well, I guess I'm keeping you caged up here. I guess I'm losing my horse then. Oh well, it brought me to the perfect spot. Why did I not bring an axe with me? Oh, I couldn't have known. But hey, at least I didn't use the gate. The gates are the hardest thing to break in Minecraft, I guess. Except for obsidian. But that has a way of breaking, so does the gate. Those are the two hardest things to break. Because, the gate, when you put it down, when you tap it, it opens up. And so when you're breaking something like that, it opens and closes. Weird, I know, right? I know this from experience. This is a gate. Okay, I'm losing my voice. So I think I need to make more fences. I don't want the chickens to get out. Yeah, I need to make some more fences. How many more fences? Let's see. I'm gonna break it this one, and this one, this one, and these two. Break this one, and this one, and these two, and these two. So let's find out. One, two, three, four. One, two, one, two, three. 8 more. It's getting dark though. Wait, I should place down the gate. There. Now I gotta sprint. Sprint. I'm being very careful with my sprinting because I don't want to run out of hunger and run out of food. My house is over there. I should create a beacon that works at night, like showing me where my house is if I get lost. There's light. Just making say. Okay, that was that was cool. No, they're monsters, so I can't sleep. Maybe if I move my bed. I'm gonna see if I can move my bed. But then I'd be outside with the monsters. Okay. I'm gonna move it over here. No, wait. Are the monsters nearby here? Yeah. Maybe underground. Yay! Found it. Oh wait. Am I? Okay. No. Okay, it looks like I'm staying down here and up there is like my treasure room. Oh well. My working area and my underground base there. Hey, it's like half now. I'm sorry. Oh, creeper. And I brought nothing with me. Oh my god. I'm so stupid. You can blow up here, creeper. Just do it down there. Okay, well, time to build the terrain again. Make this look like it was a cave. And I keep bloom to be boom, 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 boom. There. Okay, well, let's see here. Let's check up on down here. Right, I have this down here, which I really need to remember to go mining at some point in time. Yeah. Blah. Chicken egg. I'm gonna keep that. Did you know that there's a glitch that you can cook an egg in a furnace? I didn't know that. I'll be honest. How much is it to create a saddle? I need a deliver. So how many cows do I need to create the saddle? The horse, what? Saddle. Are there no saddles? Are you flippin' serious? Come on, there have to be saddles. Hey guys, sorry I had that pause. I didn't want you I didn't want you guys watching me kill cows and human. But hey, I got enough leather. And basically I was spelling saddle wrong, so that's why it didn't show up. Now to go find our horse. Whee! Where is he? Ooh, that looks like a bee cave down there. I think I see him. Nope. Oh, there he is. Ooh, bar fence and stuff that I need to finish. Do I still have my leggings? I think I've broken them. Nope. Yes, our horse. Yeah, finally. Whoa! Ooh, you fast. I'm gonna name you Starburst when I get a name tag. It's a big win, because I don't know when. Okay, Starburst, I'm gonna get off of you. There we go. And I'm gonna search up name tag, because I don't know what I need for a name tag. If I could find a dungeon, though, that would probably be the best. Do I not have name tags? I don't think I do. Name tag. Name tag. Next. Well, guys, sorry about that pause, but I did not want to do something and hear you guys hear me scream. So I needed strings and I needed to kill spiders. There's a glitch. There's a glitch. Oh well, it gets myself a name tag. Wait, do I need an anvil? Crap, I think I need an anvil. Anvil. I need that much iron. Holy crap. 3 blocks of iron, 4 ingots. Time to go mining. That's not my tools. This is my tools. I need a new pickaxe, though. Caitlin, also don't forget that you have to... Okay, I'm bringing you torches. I need more torches, too. Okay. That means I need more coal. Ouch! So I need that. What else do I need? I don't need a golden helm. Oh, I didn't know I could make that with that. Okay, so I think I got everything. More torches, that's what I was going for. Trying to use up as many as I can until the sticks run out. Okay, so I got 28 torches, I mean. But the 10 gold back in there. That's still... I have an idea. Bing. Bing. Yeah! I fixed a glitch. Now, what time is it? Oh. Never mind. Time to go downstairs and see. You know what? I should really put an iron door. But I'm not in creative. So wood is all I can get for now. But I love that little glitch. Just like, oh, was it only one time author? I think it was. Huh. Yeah, it was. It was an only one time author. I'm not healing very good. I must go check out other. Ow! Oh, I'm on 5 hearts. I am on 5 hearts. Let me. When am I gonna start healing? Oh, probably when my food's full. Hold up. I'm gonna have to go eat something. Right, yeah, that's right. I need food. I'm only on 5. What? I don't speak right now. Put that back. Put a steak back. I could have 29 torches if I wanted to. Let me get my food. Let me get to the steak. I'm gonna take some bread. I'm gonna take some mutton too. There. Now I should start healing. Ah, there we go. I'm healing. Very slowly though. Gotta go explore the other cave, which entrance is on this side. Can I make it? Oh, there's grass right there. Yeah, the 2 black drop. Okay, so then okay. Alright, right off the bat. This is good. More iron. I need a lot of iron. And I literally don't know how many one box give me. What is this? Alright. Oh, right. I remember this a little bit. There. I've got 11 of iron. Here comes the deep, darky part. Oh, ooh, there's something else down there. I can't see anything. Here's a torch. I think I'm the most obvious person ever. Except for my sister. She is Captain Obvious. I'm just the first mate. Oh, there's no iron in this cave. There's no iron. Oh, I did not want that. I'm gonna be collecting the torches. Because God knows I need them. And I'm trying to conserve my torches. Not use them up all. Not use them all up outright. Oh god. That threw me into the dark, like. Hehehe. Where did this torch go? Well, I had 28 to begin with. I think. Oh, I can't hear the sound of it coming. There it is. It coming back. I couldn't hear the sound of it. Yay, I had 28. But I still didn't find a lot of iron. Oh well. I guess I have to go search my other caves. No, I have a half heart. I lost half of a heart. I'm gonna make stairs. There we go. Two sides. Which way should I go first? I see light on this side, so I'm gonna go this way. I see more coal, and I need more coal, so that's not cool. This is cool. Are you serious? Well, guys, we got one block of coal. Well, we got one coal, I mean. Do I know where this goes? Oh my, yeah, I do. Hey. Oh, hey. Look. More coal. Lord knows I need it. I was keeping a statue for it. So I could slowly feed off of it. But I need it. I really should get a drink soon, but I'm gonna wait till after the video. At like 32 minutes, guys, I'm gonna end this video. So, yeah. There's more coal right there. Oh my, how much coal is in here? And hey, we have enchantment levels. I have 4 levels, so I can probably swim. Come on, swim. Yeah. I'm not very good at swimming in Minecraft. So now I can go the deep dark. And there's iron right off the bat. Like a lot of iron. Oh my gosh. How much is this gonna make? I don't know. Yeah, I'm losing my voice, alright? I found a mine shaft. Where? This is what I call it. Oh, flip. I can't see anything. I lost the torch. Okay, so if I just dig my way back up here like this. . Okay. Wait. There we go. Oh, I'm getting nervous. Yes. More iron. A lot more iron. Oh no, that's a suicide mission. Oh, I'm gonna call myself Agent Suicide. I don't know what time it is down here. Well, I'm gonna get this last bit and then build my way back up. I got 20 blocks of iron. Well, 20 iron ore. Yay! And my pickaxe finally broke. I can use my new one. Okay. So I need a way building back up. Oops. That was not supposed to happen. There. It's getting dark. Oh well. Hold on, dig it. Hi, my name is Caitlin. I can't see anything. Okay, there we go. I see the moon, I see the moon. Sprint, sprint, sprint. Sprint. Oh no, not dying, not dying. I don't want to die, I don't want to die, I don't want to die, I don't want to die. Okay, I got a lot more coal for you. Now, start cooking. Okay, I did not get hungry on the journey, so I'm gonna put this food back up. I'm left with 24 torches. Yeah, I'll be close to getting an anvil in no time. But now, I'm asleep. Yay, no monsters. I'll be able to sleep every night down here. I'll have the anvil up here. Are you still? Oh my. This is only going to produce you with 22 ingots. I'm not going on armor, I'm going on anvil. Because I need my horsey. Wait, that reminds me. I didn't see my horse. Starburst. Starburst. There's a creeper. I don't see my horsey. Well, that's sad. I lost my horse. And my saddle. So now I need to make another saddle and kill more cows. Be right back. I killed a lot of cows. Okay, so I'm actually gonna take this now, and I'm gonna make however many blocks of iron I can, which is 1. And then I'm gonna make a helmet with boots if I can. I can't. Okay, so I made a helmet. I got 1 block of iron, which is great. Six ingots. Seven. I'm gonna make me a full set of armor. Okay, guys? It's gonna be 1 block of iron per video and then ingots. So I'll put this iron up here in the needed section. Now I need... Okay, good. Just put... Okay, guys. Well, that's gonna be the end of our video for today. I lost a horse and a saddle. I killed a bunch of cows. Still makes me sad. I had one ingot in there that I could have used. I'm stupid. And with that, I can't even get in my door. I'm too fat. Oh well. So, just so you know, this, like the dirt and stuff, I'm gonna change out eventually. But this is used as a punching thingy. And this is my map. So, bye guys. See ya.